Shawn Kotchey, MillCreek Valley Game Calls. Hey, as some of you know, maybe some of you don't know, I came out with the colored slate in the outdoor industry for pot calls. But this year we have something a little different. This is from Portugal, this slate here. On some of your old school chalkboards, this is the same kind of slate that they use for years. It's a little bit harder than most of your soft grays that come from Pennsylvania. So this is our black slate pot. It can come in any kind of wood combination. This just so happens to be walnut. I'm going to give it a little test run here with the two-piece diamond wood striker. What I like about it is it's pretty loud. It almost sounds like an aluminum kind of surface also, but it can reach out and get there. But it can also go very quiet also. So here's some demos. You can get really nice and raspy too. There you go, something new for 2026. Black slate, MillCreek Valley Game Call.